Echo these words and listen for the sound in the medial or middle position. Echo the word tide. Echo the word line. Echo the word mile. What sound do you hear in the medial position? That's right, we hear an I sound in the medial position. What letter do you see that might make the I sound? That's right, we see the letter I. Let's remember our rule. We have I, consonant, E. Let's practice coding these words. Let's look at the word tide. Do you see a sneaky E at the end of the word tide? Let's cross it out because the E is silent. Remember, sneaky E sneaks behind the consonant to make the I say its name, make its long vowel sound. So we put a macron over the I to remember that it's going to say I. Let's look at the next word, line. Do you see a sneaky E at the end? Let's cross it out because it is silent. Remember, sneaky E sneaks behind the consonant and makes the vowel say its name, make its long sound. So it is going to say I. And let's look at our last word, mile. Do we see a sneaky E? Let's cross it out because it is silent. Remember, sneaky E sneaks behind the consonant and makes the vowel say its name, make its long sound. We have a new keyword. When we see this picture, we're going to say dime, I. Let's practice coding the word dime. Does it have a sneaky E at the end? Let's cross it out because it is silent. And remember, sneaky E sneaks behind the consonant to make the vowel say its name. So we code the I with a macron. Because we learned something new today, we're going to add to our spelling response. So when I ask you what makes the I sound, you're going to say I, consonant, E, comma, I. We have another keyword that follows our vowel, consonant, E pattern. When we see this card, we're going to say concrete, E. Let's practice coding the word concrete. It's kind of a long word, and if we say the word and count the syllables, concrete, we have 2 syllables in this word. So let's see first about our vowels and consonants. I see that O is a vowel, N is a consonant, C is a consonant, R is a consonant, and E is a vowel. Let's practice coding the first part of this word. I see that the letter C is at the beginning and it makes a K sound. So let's put a K back to remind ourselves that this word is going to say concrete. Next, I see a vowel followed by a consonant. So this vowel is going to make a short sound. So I'm going to code it with a breve to remind myself that it's going to say ah. And then because I have 2 syllables in this word, I'm going to put an accent at the end of the first syllable. Let's look at the second part of this word. We're going to put a K back again because this letter C also goes K, concrete. So we're going to put a K back there to remind us. I also see a sneaky E at the end. So that means that the E is going to sneak behind the letter T to make the other E say its name. Make its long vowel sound. E consonant E isn't a very common spelling pattern, but we're still going to talk about adding it to our spelling response card. So when I ask you what makes the E sound, we're going to put E consonant E, comma, E.